Welcome to Dancers Dojo. My name is Q Harper, and today we're going to be doing a advanced groove tutorial. This is a full body bounce, part 2, because we're going to be adding some stuff to make it a little bit more difficult, but you're going to catch it and you're going to be awesome. So let's go ahead, let's bounce. Now, we've already done our side-to-side rock. We added our double bounces to our motion. We've got deeper bounces to just give it more life. But now we're going to take that same thing and we're just going to kind of blow it up a little bit. We're going to expand by adding steps, which means your feet are leaving the ground. I don't mean fly, I just mean one at a time. You're going to be kicking them and moving them around. So we have our side to side rocks that we've been going over in our 3 planes, in the center, in the back, in the front. Okay, we have our different hand movements. You have your poser, you have your hard dude posted up in the club, and then you have your swing. But now I want to play around with picking up your opposite foot as you lean. So if I am leaning to my left, I'm not going to pick up my left. We're doing the opposite. We're going to pick up my right. So it's going to kind of chuck up, okay? So again, I'm going to lean, and that's going to pop and pop and pop and pop, okay? And all I'm doing is I'm just picking it up, kind of kicking. I'm not picking it up like here. That isn't exactly what I'm doing. I'm more or less picking it up, throwing my heel up. So as I'm doing this, I'm going to rock. We're just going to, no arms, we're just going to rock and kick up with these heels. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Now we're going to do the same thing, adding one of our double bounces. Okay? So with my double bounce, when I lean, I have to put it back down or I'm going to fall. Okay? So it's going to be a woo and woo when I go over. So I'm just picking it up, putting it back down. I'm not going all the way over. I'm still stopping on my center line. Pop, pop. Okay? Now you're going to notice just doing this motion, adding that extra step, will add more pressure to your body because you're doing more, you're exerting more energy. So don't be surprised if you start sweating a little earlier than you did before. Okay, so walking that, just the bounce in the 3 planes with that double bounce. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, lean 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Wow. Moving on to our second double bounce variation, where we do our single, single, double, double type motion. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Boom. Okay, now let's add our music. Remember, we're not necessarily counting steps, we're counting beats, and we are following beats. So here we go, let's tune in. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Boom. That was without hands, and that was with counts. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna run it one more time. This time I'm counting you in, but I'm not counting you through. Here we go. Let's do it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've done it both times without using these arms. If you don't have it yet, if it doesn't feel good, then pause here and just practice it without using your arms. I want you to feel extremely comfortable with being able to rock and move. Now that we're adding our hands, you want to be able to do it without thinking about it, okay? When you add your arms, that should not mess up the rhythm of your body. If that messes up your rhythm with your body, that means you haven't practiced with your body just yet, okay? So if you feel good, if you feel like you can throw those up there and it won't mess you up, then let's go ahead, let's get into it. We're throwing these arms into our full body bounce. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It is a lot. That's we advance. All right, here we go. We're doing it again. This time I'm just counting you in. I'm not counting you through. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, good job, guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna be rolling with our other double bounce. 1, 2, 3, staying in that pocket, okay? 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Woo-ah. Surprise. All right, guys, so we are at that point where I'm going to challenge you to take everything that we've just learned and in previous videos, and we are going to smash all that together to create our own little sequence, okay? Basically, this is a freestyle. Don't get scared. Don't get scared. Embrace it. The challenge, yes. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna challenge you to do 3 8 counts, just like we've been doing, using all of the methods for this side-to-side groove. So I don't care if you start in the front, start leaning, start with the hands folded, like literally we're trying to encompass all those movements. I'm gonna do this with you. I have nothing planned, all right? So I could very well mess up myself. All we're gonna do is I'm gonna count us in, and then we're just gonna try to stay on beat together and throw all this stuff together, okay? Your only job is to stay on beat, okay? That's really it. Now, I can see you, so do not just stick with the same one move, okay? That is a cop-out. Mix it up. Take everything we've learned, everything we've done, and just mix it in a pot of awesome danciness. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go for it. We're gonna go for it. I'm scared too. We in there together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you survive? Did you make it? Are you still alive? Good. Did you die? No. Did you mess up? I may have messed up a little bit, but I kept going and you couldn't tell. Maybe you could tell, but I don't think most of you caught it. You're super dope. You're practicing, you're making yourself awesome every time. Please keep practicing this. All right, you can use this movement in anything you do. All the dances that we have involve grooves. You're gonna see grooves in every hip hop dance you do for the most part. So practice this, master it, get awesome. Go ahead, check out the other tutorials to continue growing in your dance groove awesomeness. You can also do us a favor, and if you can practice this, record yourself and post that on whatever social you're on, and make sure you tag us at Daniel's Dojo. Peace out, enjoy your day, laters.